Good night. My name is Dairo Castañeda, and today I'm going to do the last exercise of Unit 4, the word and that I chose in a reading. And this the next one, the shiny elephant. When I was a kid, loved circus, and what I like most about circus was animal. Also to me has to other. After I found out, the elephant called an attention. During the past year, the elephant was subject only to a change that's impressioning on of the late night to a small stain in the grove. However, they are of the lonely are a small piece of wood buried if I want art. And although the chain was light on powerful, I have realized that this animal is captain of the organization in three for for native with this one string power actually other stay and free. The mystery is evident. What what keeps it then? Why do you don't you run away? When I was 4 or 6 years old, still in the window of the green, I then asked a teacher, a father, or uncle about the mystery of the elephant. Some of the explained to me that the elephant did not escape because he was trained. Then I escaped the obvious question. If he is training, why do they chain him? I do not remember having received any coherent answer. Over time, we forget the mystery of the elephant and they stay. And I only remember is when they looked at me while others who had also become the some question. Sorry. Some years ago, I closed my eyes and imagined the little neighbors subject to the state. I am sure that at that moment if the little elephant pushed, pulled, swerved, thrilling to the let go. In and the speed out is his effort. He called out. The state was very strong for him. I heard that it was exhausting, and that the next day it was tried again. Also, the other side into the day, until only a Terry died for history. The animal accepted its impotence or resigned itself to its destiny. This elephant is oof and powerful that we see in the circus. It does not escape because it easily believe that I cannot. He has record in memory of the elephant is of the important that improvise story after beat. And the word part is that you have never serious questioned the record again, never, never. Three to test you a string again. Okay, this is all. Good with this word. I finished first semester in this green subject of phonetics. Thanks to the teacher for her methodology for being part of my preparation cycle of new. Thank you very much. See you later.